He said he wanted one or two to help.
Where's he pushing it to?
They've told him he couldn't park it.
You can't park that there.
You can't park that there.
Is that Libya or is it Sturgate or somewhere?
Yeah, Stegate.
I think I've flown with him before. You know, with RBS, don't want to tell you.
Yeah.
Went down to Sturgate, met up with a chairman and flew
Well, Barry and him had RBs, and there's another RB, two RBs I look after there.
we went up to Newcastle, upside the airfield, just upside the Newcastle.
Yeah,
We flew up to an airfield up there. She was flying to Bagby, and up.
Second week of April.
This is what you want, isn't it?
Yeah. We went down to Pop.
It's very rare that we can.
With John. I think we all met at night.
Yeah.
Fancy anything well, we run out of fuel coming back, didn't we, John?
Nearly. Yeah, I got.
You never run out of fuel.
No, I didn't.
No, we didn't.
I was.
You just got an airman with fuel.
It was the Cherokee. We went down, and then there was a fire in the car park, so I got.
Oh, we had to
to
divert,
Blackbush.
yeah.
Blackbush said there's no landing fees because Royal's poorly.
Yeah.
So we filled it up with toast.
Yeah, yeah.
And then carried on back to Bottle. And then coming home, we need some fuel. So we called at Nottingham. What's the fuel? Yes. Got on to Waddington. Right, we're going to Nottingham. Going to Nottingham, the guy's gone home, hasn't he? So we had to leave the aeroplane there and get a car. And then I went back on the Monday and straight.
Last time I went down to Popham and got one of them big Russian power planes there.
Well, the answer's no.
Is it Antonov?